What's up out there? Marty Schwartz here with GuitarJams.com. It's time for the axis of 4 chords again. Got a real easy, heavily requested song for you. I hadn't actually ever heard the song until I saw a gazillion requests for it. If you want to request a song, you can sign my request list down there. That's where I take all my requests, as well as I give you a free ebook that's got all the beginner chords in it to help with these lessons. So we're going to zoom in, and there's basically 3 parts to learn. Real easy rhythm. It's a great beginner song, so let's get to it. All right, the axis of 4 chords. Here we go. These are all in the ebook. The first chord is called A minor, and we go to F, and what you want to do, the index finger can stay right there, and then these move out here like a little staircase. And if you get the open high E in there, called F major 7, it could be in there, but if you can mute it or press down both of these strings, it's probably a little better. So we got A minor to F, and these 2 fingers move up a string each to C major, to G, and G. These are all good beginner chords. So it's going to go through this twice, and this is the top of the song. No strumming, it's just a ring each chord. So. And it does it again. C, G. Then it's going to do kind of the build up, and it's going to be for 2 strums to G. So watch. Just down strums. So 1, 2, G, 2, C, 2, 3, A minor, 4, and then F for 4. Then G for 4, C for 4, A minor for 4, almost all of them for 4 each, to F. You're impossible to find. 2. So that leads everything all the way through the first cycle. Let's do it one more time. So we have 2, we play this twice, the whole note's on. 3, 4 to F, to C, 3 to G, 4 again, A minor, 3, F, C, 2, G. Next part, 3, 4, F, G, G, C, 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 A minor, 2, 3, 4 to F, 2, 3, G, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, F, 3, G, 2, 4, starts over again. And it does the intro the exact same way, 2 times through a hole. Does that again, but then it starts jun, 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 it starts to build up, but it's still the chords of that intro. I'm still doing the same thing as before, but I'm going, kind of like a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just, it's opened up. Dynamics, you start rocking it out. So it'd be 2, G, 2, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, F, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, G, 4. And then there's one more rocking part, and it's basically like the intro chords, but they happen quicker in time, and it's like more rocking out. So let's just look at that part too. So when it starts rocking out, it's the A minor, F, C, and G, and the first one's just like, like dun dun chick chick to F, kind of that kind of thing. So you got. From there it's just 1 and 2 and drive it down and take it home and rock it out. So that's it. So when you sleep, the lyric "when you sleep" is just to hang out on the F chord. The rocking has subsided, and then we're back to super sensitive intro chords. So sensitive. The axis of 4 chords will give you a hit song. Alright, you guys, that's it. Another really super easy lesson for you. And I mix and match, you know, I'll do some rock, electric stuff that's more challenging, and then super easy beginner stuff. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything out there for you guys, and I've had some great feedback, and I really appreciate that. So, until the next lesson, we'll see you real soon.